Step 1. Change the year, start month, or week start day. The calendar updates instantly. In D9, enter the year. In B9, choose the start month. In B10, pick the week start day sun or moon. The calendar updates automatically. Step 2. Edit cells R3, R4, and R5 to add your own names or titles. The calendar and days drop-down update automatically. Step 3. Mark agreed call days by selecting phone call from the drop-down. After each call, record the minutes. If not made or late, change to late phone call or no phone call. Step 4. The monthly phone calls summary shows totals, percentages, total requests, and total minutes all calculated automatically. Step 5. The totals section shows automatic counts and percentages for phone call, late phone call, and no phone call. Step 7. The Ready to Print tab is set for letter or for format and updates automatically.